Namaste. In this video, I will tell you how to do a forming animation in SolidWorks. So first of all, you need to create a plate as per your requirement. So basically, I am creating a plate of outer diameter 300 mm and I want to an extrusion of 200 mm in this plate. Click OK and click direction 1 10 mm. Press Ctrl plus S, save is at plate 1. Press Ctrl plus N, click on part, select the front plane, draw a circle of radius of diameter 190 mm. Click on boss extrude, click here OK. Remember, the thickness of my boss extrusion of the plate is 10 mm. If you want to increase the thickness, just reduce the diameter of this plate that you have drawn in the second, like here you see. Now press Ctrl plus S, enter plate 2, press Ctrl plus N. Here I am going to make a cylinder that is basically gonna do my forming process. Its diameter should be equal to the diameter of the plate, that diameter of the plate that we are going to extrude. Okay, and you can enter the length as per your requirement. Go to revolve base boss, click here. Okay, save that cylinder. Now go to assembly, press Ctrl, select all these three parts, right click on it, make sure it is float. Now go to assembly, click on mate. Make sure you activate view temporary axis. Select this axis, select the right front plane. Select this axis, select the right plane. Now select this circle and this, make it coincide. Again select this circle, select this. Wait a minute. Now select this circle edge and select this circle and this circle. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Now delete this mate. Remember, I just use this mate so that I can bring it at the right position and nothing else. Click yes. Now go to insert components, click on new part, click part, click on edit components, select this base, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw two circles, click OK. After that go to features, click on extrude base boss. Make sure you select up to surface. If anybody don't understand what is this, check out the link in the description, or you can go to my YouTube channel and check the video about how to use extrude or extrude basics. I have uploaded so you can understand what is mean by up to surface. I have told everything about in detail in that video. Click OK. Now exit the assembly. Now give this last one part left. Now go to motion study. We have done our assembly. Now what we need to do is just show the simulation. So to do that, click on basic motion, click on motor, select the linear motor, make sure you delete all this and select this face at the bottom. Okay, select the face again. As you can see, arrow is moving downward, so that is what we need. And go downward, select constant speed, enter the speed as per your requirement. For example, I'm entering the speed 50 mm per second. After that, go to contacts, click on use contact, select this and this thing, click OK. After that, click on calculate. As you can see, it is moving downward, but we are not able to see where is the curved surface. The reason is that I use basic motion, not motion, so that I can use the basic motion data in my animation. So click on animation now, click on animation wizard, click on import basic motion, click next. Make sure you select motion study 2. You can check here from the tab, whatever the tab you are using, select that, click next. Start time is 0 seconds. Okay, click finish. Now click on calculate. As here you can see, now it totally make the sheet forming process. If anybody have a doubt, just right click on here, click on hide component. As you can see, I hide that component, and here is my extrude surface. So a question arises in your mind, what basically going on here? Remember the part that I created and I click on up to the surface. So basically what happened, that in motion, basic motion, you saw that the plate just move out, and if you remember correctly, what I have done with the new part is that I attach to the surface and extrude it up to the base top surface. So when the plate move down, it automatically update with the surface. So because of that, you can see it look like a animation of extrusion. Remember, it is just a animation, not a real life explanation or simulation. You can do any kind of animation. That is the main reason I show. Basically this is a video request from someone on my YouTube channel, because of that I am showing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt and queries, make sure you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Namaste. Oh, let's change the time once again. Let's show the part. Okay, and we got our part. Bye bye.